Good morning to you and welcome to my channel. This is RGS Cooking with Kesh and Alicia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plain and simple tin fish chutney with boiled eggs. So I have here 3 cans of tin fish that I have cleaned. I have 4 boiled eggs which I have sliced, 1 whole onion sliced with some curry leaves. And I got 5 tomatoes here grated with some green chilies, and here is my spices. I'm using Kashmiri mixed masala, medium, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera mix, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 heaps of ground ginger and garlic. Okay, I'm going to show you now how to braise. I've just added my oil into the pan here. I'm just waiting for it to get hot. I'm going to put in my onion. Drop in my onions and my curry leaf together. Okay. So we'll stir it up quickly. Just let that fry till it gets a bit brown. Okay, the onions are getting brown now. So I'm gonna just give it another minute or so. And then I'm going to add in my spices. Okay, the 1 minute has passed. I'm just going to add in all my spices. Okay, and I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Okay, and now I'm going to drop in the tomatoes with the green chilies. Just going to add that in, and then I'm going to add my salt as well. Okay, so it's going to be 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then I'm just going to stir all this up together. Let all the flavors mix, and then I'm just going to close it and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the chutney forms. Okay, now I'm just going to close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to open the pot now. 10 minutes has passed and the chutney should be almost done. Okay. This is how it looks. I'm just going to give it another, say, 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to drop in the fish. Okay, I'm just going to leave it for another 2 more minutes. Okay, 2 minutes has now passed. Okay, I'm just going to give it a quick stir as well. And then see, it's almost, the chutney is almost done. So I'm just going to quickly drop in the fish. And then I'm just going to stir it up. I'm just going to stir it up nicely. Okay, I'm just going to let this just cook for another 2 more minutes, and then the fish should be done. Just going to put the stove on a little bit high so it has like a quick boil, and then the curry should be done. I just turned off the heat, and I'm going to close the pot, let it cook. Okay, 1 minute has passed now, so I'm just going to quickly stir it. Okay, my curry is now done. I'm just going to put it on low heat, and I'm going to put in my boiled eggs. Just going to place them in quickly. Just going to put them in nicely. Okay, and then I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Okay, my curry is now done. I'm going to turn off the heat and it's ready for serving. Okay, I've just dished it out now. You can have it with, I'm using basmati rice. So I'm serving it with basmati rice and fresh roti that I've made and some chili pickle. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. To all the subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I really and greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a pleasant day.